let me address this question of plants, because lots of people keep indoor plants and people don't know what, everyone thinks plants are always good. No. So we all have earth, fire, water, wood, metal in our house. These sectors are ruled by these elements. Now if you keep let's say in the fire sector you keep water, क्या हो जाएगा? जहाँ पे आग होना चाहिए वहाँ पे आप पानी डालो, क्या हो जाएगा? आग खत्म हो जाएगा. So you can't keep plants in a place where it will get where you're depleting the energy of that particular place. For example, if you keep plants in your southwest, you can cause havoc in your relationships. You can cause havoc with your money. Havoc is not the word. Okay, so if you keep or the destiny, okay, I'm going to answer that question. If you keep plants in your west sector, again it's going to cause horrible thing with your children, with your profits, with your money and all of that. So a lot of times people keep plants in the wrong place and it starts causing problem. Never keep plants in your bedroom. Never ever keep plants in your bedroom. It's a no. No waterfall in your bedroom, no plants in your bedroom, no dragon in your bedroom. These are like absolute no's. Plants can really cause a lot of problems if you keep them in your bedroom. Alright, so then people ask me which is the best place to keep plants. There are only 2 sectors I approve for keeping plants. Now, and if you want the plants to do something awesome and yummy to your life, keep plants in your east, keep plants in your southeast. Never anywhere else. Okay? Did you guys get this loud and clear? You can't keep plants anywhere else. East and southeast. Only 2 sectors where you can keep plants. Alright? So no plants in your southwest cause havoc in your relationship. No plants in your west, no plants in your northwest, no plants in your north. All of these can cause havoc. Okay? And if you keep plants in your north, it will cause problems with opportunities in your life. Really, it will. I will still say okay for keeping plants in your south. Like I'm still okay with that because it will be contributive to your fame and recognition. But you can't keep too many plants. Like 1 plant is good. Alright?